Trading is easy, so why have you been unable to make any money from it? The reason is that you're following fake gurus who rely upon lies, fake reviews, fake websites from their affiliates to perpetuate a scam. Day trading is guessing. That's why all of these fake gurus refuse to post their trading statements and a screen recording that shows their entire transaction history. I went to an Ivy League university. I worked on Wall Street for 5 years. I've been trading for 20 years, and I would lose every single cent that I have if I had to engage in day trading. The only way to make money is by selling option premium. In 2017, I made $755,000, and I post every single one of my statements. I won on 95% of my trades, and I'm giving you an opportunity to click the link below and sign up and receive $400 of free training. Additionally, I have a trial offer that's going on right now where for only $19, you can instantly become a successful and profitable trader by copying my trade alerts. This is the only legitimate trade alerts product available. I take screenshots of my actual trades and then I send them to all of my subscribers, and my subscribers make money. Once again, this is not a way where you're going to be able to turn $10,000 into $5 million. Instead, what I'm going to teach you is a valuable skill that you're going to be able to use for the rest of your life, where you can make trades in just 10 minutes a day. All of the trades can be made from your smartphone. You're not going to have to get 7 computer screens and watch charts. Why? Because that stuff does not work. That is just guessing. Again, I went to an Ivy League university, worked as an investment banker at some of the most prestigious investment banks in the world, and I've been trading for 20 years. And I can tell you with 100% certainty that there is no way that you're going to make money by day trading. The only way to make money consistently for retail traders, which is what you are, is by selling option premium. And I am the only person who shows you every single trade that I make, every transaction, and you can sign up and receive $400 of free training. You can sign up for the education course, and if you also want to instantly become a successful and profitable trader so that you can put away and stop experiencing all the frustration that you felt by following these fake gurus and not be able to achieve a satisfactory result, where you think that you're a failure because things are not going the way that you expect. But the reality is that none of these people's students make money because these people themselves don't even trade. So remember, the only way to make money by trading is by selling option premium. And click the link below. You can instantly become a successful and profitable trader. Sign up for the free training for $19. You can sign up for the trial of the trade alerts. And even if you don't sign up, my job and my goal is to bring you as much value as possible. And if you don't believe me, that's totally cool. But remember, for all of those fake gurus, before you sign up for their course, make sure that you ask them for their full trading statements that show all of their trades and screen recordings from inside their account, inside the app, or inside their trading account that shows their entire transaction history. That is what's required to protect yourself against these unscrupulous fake gurus who are trying to separate you from your hard-earned money. If you want to be a successful trader, you can sign up below, and my job and my goal and the thing that brings me fulfillment is to provide you with as much value as possible. Thank you so much. My name is David Jaffe from davidjaffe.com and beststockstrategy.com, and I'm here to help you. Thanks again.